Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, update tayo guys sa value nito ng ating quarter dollar na Washington. Quarter bicentennial. Mayroong taon na 1776, 1976. Tapusin lang natin ang videos guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Amerika. At ito yung kanyang features guys. Ang issue nito ay United States. Period naman ay Federal Republic. 1776 ang kanyang date. Mayroon siyang type na circulating commemorative coins. May taon na 1976. At ang value naman nito guys ay 1/4 dollar or 25 cents. Dito sa Pilipinas guys ay nagkakalaga ito ng 15 pesos. Ang currency naman nito guys ay dollar. 1785 ang kanyang date. At mayroon siyang composition guys na copper, nickel clad copper. At ang kanyang timbang ay 5.67 grams. Ang diameter naman ay 24.3 mm. Mayroon siyang thickness na 1.75 mm. At siyempre, ang kanyang shape ay round. Ang kanyang technique naman ay mild. Mayroon siyang orientation na coin alignment. Mayroong number na A number 56. Mayroong reference number na KM number 204, SIO number 205, at PCGS number 5896 at 5897 at etc. Marami pang iba. Sa kanyang commemorative issue ay 200th anniversary of the United States Declaration of Independence, 1776, 1976 yung year. At ito naman guys ang ating obverse, the portrait and left profile of George Washington, the first president of the United States from 1789 up to 1797, is accompanied with the motto "In God We Trust" and surrounded with the lettering "Liberty". At ito naman ang kanyang script ay Latin at may lettering na "Liberty". In God We Trust. GF is 1776 at 1976. Ang engraver naman si John Flanagan. At dito naman tayo guys sa kanyang reverse, a colonial patriot drummers facing left with a victory torch surrounded with 13 stars at the upper left, accompanied with the motto "E Pluribus Unum" and surrounded with the peace value and the lettering United States of America. Mayroon siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, GLA, quarter dollar. Ang translation naman, United States of America out of many one, GLA, quarter dollar. Engraver Jack L. EHR, age rated with 119 reads. Men's naman, US Mint, Philadelphia, 1792. Sa West Point naman ay 1793. Sa Denver, 1906. At sa San Francisco, 1854. Dito tayo sa comments guys. The American Revolution began in 1775 and this coins commemorates the 200th anniversary of the signing of the United States Declaration of Independence in 1776, also known as the American Bicentennial. A widely celebrated the events. All quarter dollars, 1/2 dollars, and dollars were struck with a special obverse. for that during 1975 and 1976, and were first of Americans' modern circulating commemoratives, and are currently also the only circulating commemoratives to not be part of a long multi-year series. 1976, Noment Mark, mayroong 69% sa 809,784,16 kapiraso or 16 pieces. 20 pesos ang very fine, 37 pesos ang extra fine, 52 pesos ang about uncirculated, at 62 pesos uncirculated condition. Dement Mark, mayroong example na 860,118,839 kapiraso. 58% naman ang kanyang percentage. May price na 62 pesos ang extra fine, at ganoon din sa about uncirculated, 62 pesos. 160 pesos ang uncirculated condition. At dito guys sa eBay, walang grado ay may price na 522 pesos and 48 centavos. At ang maganda dito guys, dahil meron tayong auction record, nabinta noong 2023 ng $8,400 US. Sa Pilipinas guys ay umabot ng 490,576 pesos na may gradong MA68 Dement Mark ang kanyang variant. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.